Hi everyone, welcome to episode 2 of the video series where we will be discussing about all the major and minor mistakes for you to take a note of so that you avoid them completely during your examination. So this is episode 2, and in case if you have not watched episode 1, I suggest you watch them so that you get a continuity. Now let's dive into the topic. The first instruction that you would get from your examiner would be to start whenever you're ready. And it's very important to note that you do not blindly take off. It's understandable that you will be a bit nervous at start, but it's important not to forget to check your mirrors, adjust your seats, fasten your seat belt, and check your surroundings before you decide to move. Once you decide to move, indicate your direction. So in this case, indicate left. I know there is a cycle path right beside the road. I will do the shoulder check to ensure that nobody is endangered. And you also make sure you have sufficient space to the car ahead of you, and slowly and steadily enter the road. And then you can start your journey. So take your time, take your calm, because putting anyone in danger could lead to ending the test even before it begins. Judging the signal is very important, and crossing them when it's red, it's definitely a non-negotiable mistake. And hence, if you see a green signal turning amber from a sufficiently safe distance, it's always better to slow down without endangering the traffic behind you. It's always a matter of judgment. For example, if the signal is changing right as you reach it, it may be probably safer to cross them. But the point that I wanted to convey is you should not hurry. Be prepared for the signals to change. If it is green for a long time, be prepared that it will change. And like I've mentioned in my ultimate tip video, red signal is your great friend, and receive it with great happiness. And if you have not watched that video, I shall leave that in the I button for your later reference. But it's very important that you do not cross a red signal, and if you cross them, it's a non-negotiable mistake, because with this mistake, you're directly putting danger to other traffic on the road. If you're liking this video so far, please do hit the like button. And if you need more such contents, please hit the subscribe button. And if you find this useful so far, please share with others who are in need. And now let's continue our topic. As important as observing the traffic signals is observing the speed limits. Speed limits are placed always for a reason. Example, there is a school zone, or there is a pedestrian lane, etc. So driving close to 50 at a 30 speed limit zones hence becomes a non-negotiable mistake, as it causes direct danger to the traffic or the people on the road. So that's it with this episode. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next episode.